Hello everybody, and today we are going to make a cake. And so, the first step is you have to fold it neatly in this part with this part. And the second step is that you have to put it like this, fold it neatly. The third step is you have to fold these two and open them. And then there you go, you got your very own baby. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show.